What's up and welcome to another video. Today's finally the day we're installing a spacer lift and some new tires on the truck on my 2011 Ram. So here we go. So you can see these tires are pretty shot. There's no tread left on them at all. And I'm actually down to 3 tires because I'm actually riding on a spare, because if you remember in my previous video, that's why that left rear tire was flat. So and I couldn't fix it. So now I'm down 3 tires, so that's why we got new ones. Alright, so I've already checked the backspace and everything, and all that looks great. So if you're looking for size sockets or what tools I'm using to do this job, it's going to be in the description below. So I'm going to stop talking now and get this done because I'm ready to drive this thing. Screwdriver to open up the pistons a little bit. Get it off. Sometimes you might need a little screwdriver to free these up. Just be careful you don't break the sensor. So sometimes this whole ball joint's going to want to turn on you. When that happens, just grab your wrench to hold the nut still, and then grab your 10mm socket and loosen it that way. And if all else fails, you can grab your 21mm ratcheting wrench and hold it with a 10mm wrench. The spring compressor is made in China, so it's like yeah, I think I could use it like this. Look at the tool, how it's bending. So I just want to throw in, I know you saw me take these lower control arm bolts out to get the spring out, but you actually don't have to do that if you just loosen them and remove your sway bar link. I forgot to do that. And also, I have a new issue. It doesn't fit. I still don't know about the rear yet. So I'm gonna wait for my brother-in-law to get here with the grinding wheel, and we are gonna make this fit. Oh no, look at that. That's you!
You know, that's one thing I don't understand about Dodge, and I don't like that for the life of me.
What's that?
Your hub bearing is the same as on a 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, I guess so. The 4-wheel drives, they could save money on reproduction.
Yeah.
Oh, mother. See, that's what
You good?
That's what I hate about my Dodge. These stupid brake pad clips.
pry bar or anything on here, or just winging it?
Okay.
Ow! Hey, you didn't. I'm gonna get underneath it again, but I need to wedge it with my feet or something to where it doesn't slide.
Get right up here.
As long as you don't drop it. Aha!
6.5 hours later.
All right, you ready for the big reveal?
Yeah, lower down.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, so this is the front 3-inch spacer lift installed. Did not install the rear yet, so yes, it is a squatter right now, because either heavy metal suspension either sent me the wrong spacer lift, or maybe I ordered the wrong one, I don't know.